Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cutout sticker not showing on your Instagram. So if you want to create a cutout sticker, you can do it on the Instagram story page, or you can also create a cutout sticker from someone Instagram post. But if that option is not showing on your Instagram, you can try to follow these steps right here to fix it. First, if you are on Android, you can just try to clear the cache of the apps. You can just go to the apps info by long press on the Instagram app on your home screen and click on this info icon. Then it will lead you to the app info. So what you need to do here is just go to the storage and cache, and here you can try to tap on the clear the cache in here. So on Android, when you clear the cache of a certain apps, it will do its magic, but it will fix. It might be fix some problem, including the one that you are facing now, where the cut out sticker not showing. But if it's still not working, you can try to clear the storage of your Instagram. But then you need to re-log in again when you want to open your account on Instagram. So after that, you can try to reboot your phone and open the Instagram app again. So you can also try to see if your Instagram is on the latest version. You can check it by going to the Play Store, click on search, and just search for Instagram. Okay, so if this button is say open, that means you are already on the latest version. But if it says update, then you need to update your Instagram app, because that means your Instagram is still on the old versions. So if you are on an iOS users, if you are using Apple devices, you can try to offload the app, the Instagram app, to fix the problem. Okay, if it's still not fixed, you can try to uninstall the app, the Instagram app first. Here you can tap on uninstall, and then you can go to the App Store or Play Store again to reinstall the Instagram app and see if the problem is fixed. Okay, so I hope this simple tutorial from me will be helpful for you to fix the create cutout sticker not showing. And if you like this video, you can click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye.